You try to lift, but your hip locks. It clicks, it burns. It says, not today. But that doesn't mean you stop kicking. It means you start training differently. Today I'll show you how to warm up, kick, and sweep without breaking your body. Let's get started with that first move.
Because many times you want your kicks to kind of flow right from the ball and socket joint, right? Once you have your hips warmed up, a good exercise for your kicks, we'll do it from here. Go ahead and come to the middle and open up. Square off. Lift the first foot and extend it. Point the toe. Do circles clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then you can do another set, but this time maybe you want to bring your leg up a little bit higher, more controlled. And then for the third set, pull the toes back. So what you're doing at this point is you're just going to, again, we're trying to get the hamstrings warmed up and stretched out. So extend and pull the toes back as much as possible so that basically when you make contact, you're hitting with the ball of your feet. So you're going to go 1, 2, and this way you can just go as wide as you feel possible. And then you can go as fast as you feel comfortable without losing your balance. We did that side. Let's do this side. Extend the leg and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do bigger circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, in this one you're going to pull your toes back and push your heel out. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. But the other way you could do that is out to the side. Same thing. Let's do a round. Extend the toe out and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Keep your balance. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, come in, go back out again. This time we'll do bigger circles. And this one you can actually come in a little bit more and then all the way out and just try and make it bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Then the last one, we're going to bring the toes in and start off small circle and then extend it. Go as wide or as high as you feel comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, let's do the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go ahead, bring it in and relax it. Let's do the second round, a little higher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bigger circle, 6, and reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the last one, again, you're going to pull the toe up, heel up, right? And you're going to go for the last round, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and reverse for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good. Now let's do the back. The back is interesting. We'll do pointed toe, and then you'll feel the muscles in the quads become a little bit more activated in this one. You're going to extend the foot back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and reverse for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now what we're gonna do, after we go in the other direction for 6, bigger circles. Good. Now, again, heel, lead with the heel, go back. And again, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, now let's do the other side. Last round, and then we'll finish up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then again for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Okay, second round, bigger circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Come back in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then come back. We'll just do a few loose kicks. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. So the supplement to exercise: duck walks, squats. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, just to loosen up the back if you want to do that. Now, let's do some slow kicks. First round, and do front, side, and back. Okay? Begin. Take your time. Make sure you have a good, solid crane stance. Look over the shoulder. Crane stance. Turn the hip. Turn the hip. Turn the hip. Now we'll take the hip down. Kick with the heel. Look over your shoulder. Make sure you can see your heel. The heel will be lined up with the standing leg. Come back, control, crane stance again, and step down, and reposition your feet. Now we have the other side. Front kick. It's okay to start over if you feel like you're off balance. Step across. Look behind you. Crane stance. Turn the hip first. Now, a good idea is once your knees line up, now start to rotate the hip down this way, looking over your shoulder, and then extend the foot for back kick and come back. Rotate the hip back up, and you're back here. Okay, good. That was round one. Let's do a second round. Now, here's a challenge for you. On the second round, you're going to kick twice in each direction and try to hold your balance. I would say for beginners, kick low first, hold it, come back, and then extend again for the second one, come back, and then do everything at a deliberate speed, right? Maintain full control, full extension, full control. If you want, you can add the wing chun kick by turning the foot out and kicking with the heel. And then, good. Guys are looking good. So again, you can kick low first. Make sure you got control, full. Your balance is where it needs to be. Your center of gravity is over your standing leg. You come back. Position the hip a little higher. And kick higher with the, try to line the heels up. Hold it. Come back. It's hard, but it'll pay off in the long run because you'll have much more control over your kicks. And I found it allows me the strength to throw two kicks from the same position without having to put my foot back on the ground. Pause if you need to. You find that you're starting to lose balance, just pause, hold it, and then just retract and try it again. And then next time you come back, you'll be able to do full extension on both kicks. Now we're going to turn around and go the other way. Left side first, front kick. Step down, crane stance. Side kick. Back kick. I'm going to turn the hip first, then rotate the hip down, look over your shoulder, and then extend the kick slow. Come back, rotate the hip, come back to your crane stance here, look over your shoulders, and do the second one. The back kick is always more challenging, so don't feel bad if you have to kick a little bit lower. And come back. Step down, square off, and come back. Now, fast kicks. Same thing you did in the slow controlled kicks, but a little bit faster, a little bit more snappier. Right? More cheap. Ready? First round. Fast. You can double the speed each time. Ready? Cheap. Yep, second round. Okay. Chink. Squirrel. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way so you can see. Round 4. See. See. All right, good. Scarf. And close up. Ready? First round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale. Couple pointers with that one. When you swing, make sure you're not scraping the ground with your foot. You can always tell because you can see the circle left by the sole of your feet. You want to just be above the ground so you don't have that friction slowing your sweep down. Okay? Let's do one more round. Squat down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? Now you'll notice also, I've seen people do sweeps where their knees are bent. That's fine. If you're a beginner, you can do that. But eventually the idea is that you want to keep them out at your front gate. And you also, if you're really good, you can sweep both legs. You don't have to catch the first one, you can catch both of them. But you have to get in the habit of extending your foot out and sweeping across like a broomstick. So you're not just trying to target the front leg. If someone's in a fighting stance, you're actually trying to sweep both legs. Okay? And by using the hip, you can drive that leg across, right? Yeah, it will hurt if you're not conditioned, but that's another class in and of itself, how to do conditioning without hurting your joints or your bones or anything. There's a proper way to do it so that you don't, overdo it. Let's do one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now you see why it's important to have good hip mobility, right?
I've just opened up memberships here on the channel. And if you're here, that means you already know this isn't just about content. It's about culture and community. Now, as a member, you'll get access to the deeper work. You'll get my behind-the-scenes training, some of my secret conditioning rituals that I've developed over the years, some access to early scrolls, some private teachings that I won't post publicly. But more than that, we're building something together. A community rooted in Kung Fu, wisdom, and wellness, where we train, we reflect, we grow as a circle and not just as an audience. But for right now, it starts with just a simple click. We have 3 levels. So if you're ready, click that button and join below. There's several levels, and I'll meet you on the temple inside. Thank you for practicing with us. If you're interested in moving on, check out some of these other videos over here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more. Until next time, stay inspired and inspirational.